Welcome to Automaster, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Here we dive deep into the world of cars, exploring reviews, specs, features, and much more. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a modern car lover, or someone who just enjoys the thrill of driving, we've got you covered. Today we're taking a close look at the 1978 Dodge Monaco, a car that perfectly represents the rugged charm of late 70s American automobiles. The 1978 Dodge Monaco is a full-size sedan that earned its place in automotive history with its bold design and versatile performance. Powered by a range of engine options including the standard 225 cubic inch slant-6 and optional V8 engines, it offered a balance of reliability and power. The available V8 engines ranged from 318 to 440 cubic inches, making it a great choice for drivers looking for both daily utility and a bit of muscle car spirit. Paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission, the Monaco delivered a comfortable and dependable driving experience. One of the standout features of the 1978 Dodge Monaco is its classic exterior styling. Its wide stance, squared-off body lines, and chrome accents give it a commanding road presence. The front grille, adorned with the iconic Dodge emblem, is both bold and distinctive. The car was offered in various trims, including base, brougham, and police pursuit versions, catering to different needs and preferences. The police pursuit model, in particular, gained fame for its performance capabilities, making it a favorite among law enforcement agencies. Inside, the Dodge Monaco is all about comfort and space. The roomy interior provides ample seating for up to 6 passengers, making it an excellent family car. Soft cloth upholstery and a well-padded dashboard enhance the overall comfort. Features like air conditioning, power windows, and an AM/FM stereo were available, making the Monaco a luxurious choice for its time. The car also boasted a spacious trunk, perfect for long trips or carrying bulky items. Safety and durability were key considerations in the design of the 1978 Dodge Monaco. Its solid body construction and reliable suspension system ensured a stable and secure ride. While it lacked the advanced safety features found in modern cars, it performed well for the standards of its era. The police pursuit version was equipped with upgraded brakes and heavy-duty components, adding to its reputation as a durable and reliable vehicle. The 1978 Dodge Monaco remains a beloved classic, appreciated for its style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're a collector or someone who enjoys driving vintage cars, this model offers a unique experience that stands the test of time. Thank you for watching Automaster. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content about classic cars, modern vehicles, and everything in between, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and features on the cars you love.